In today's video, I'll show you how to change your YouTube profile picture using your iPad. A fresh profile picture can help you stand out, so let's get started. First, unlock your iPad and open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon and click in sign in. First things first, sign in to your account. Now, go to settings or simply tap on your channel. This will take you to your channel page. Next, tap on edit channel. This option will allow you to change your channel's information. Now tap on the current profile picture or the camera icon next to it. You'll have the option to choose a photo from your library or take a new one. As you can see, after selecting the photo, you can adjust it as needed. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on save or OK to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube profile picture on your iPad.